Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel, Super Linux. So in this video, guys, what you're going to do is get this RMS objective lens. This is the same one that you find in a microscope over here. Okay, so let me zoom just in order to let you see it more clearly. So this is this one here. Okay, this is a 20 times objective lens. So here, this is an object. Those are 4 objective lenses in the microscope. Okay. So we're going to use this one instead. Okay, there's nothing wrong. Just I'm gonna use this one on the industrial microscope camera. Okay. I'm gonna see it over here. Okay, and I have the here this specimen. This is the human tissue of the brain. Okay, cerebrum. Okay, so you can see this pale color. So this is the part of the cerebrum of the brain. Okay. Now we're going to, the difference is that we're not going to use it, the RMS, okay? We're not going to use the RMS just like usually. You put the camera usually over here on top, okay? And just take whatever comes in here. We're going to do is just install this direct to the mouth of the camera, okay? So let's go and see what will happen, how it will focus. Okay, I'm telling you from now, it's very hard to focus. So we use an adapter. This here, the adapter for this is a C screw, C mount. This is what they call it, C mount. Here it's like 25 millimeters. So we use this ring, okay, C to RMS, because the lens has this screw side is RMS, okay, like 19 millimeters, okay, and go to the side over here. Let's zoom a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna start this way. Okay, maybe even make it lower. Okay, this is a lamp. This is a lamp here. So what we're gonna do is put the lamp this way, okay, because I want it to be on top of the camera. Okay. And we're connecting the VGA cable. So we connected the VGA cable and put the lamp on top, and we get the power cable of the camera. Okay. And let's see. Okay, zoom out. See what's gonna be. Okay. Now it's turned on. Great. Now just I moved the specimen. Okay. Now we can focus a little bit. It's hard to focus, I'm telling you from now, like I told you earlier. Okay. Oh, sorry, I should turn on the lights because it's very important to give it more light in order to reflect the light of the specimen to the camera. So just to give you a small idea, like this is how the lens is now. Let me lower the brightness. Yeah, you can see now the lens is below Oh, the lens is above the specimen. So now we have to focus only. Okay. Okay, you can feel it, see? You can feel it. Okay, but it's hard, okay? And because of the shaking, okay, and because the camera itself as a computer, a small computer, it's like plug and play computer, just turn on and it works, okay? So it just needs time in order to send and like interpret the image to the screen, okay? Because its processing power is small. Yeah, here, see? But it's not like the usual way where you install the camera on the top. Okay, it's very much different and it's much clearer. Okay, let me show you the difference. Okay, let's give it some time. Yeah, we will have to get the power of the. We have to turn on the lights inside the microscope, so that's why. Alright, it will not give us an image anyway, so I'm gonna get it this way. Put things back like it was. Okay, but you have to understand the zoom is different because this is a 20. Okay, the rest are like 4 and 4 and otherwise. But it's not about the whole issue is not about the zoom and power. It's just about the resolution. Okay, so there will be a resolution difference. Okay, and clarity. Okay. So we have to put things back in their bags. That's very important for organization. Okay, so I don't lose our stuff. You see, I have lots of accessories, all kinds of accessories. So this is making me confused. Okay, although like everything for microscope that you would think of is there. Whether you can think of it is there. Okay, so I have to go like this. Remove this. Okay, remove the adapter. It's very important to remove it because the screw on the top of the microscope is C. Okay. Okay. The sweetest thing about it is just like you spin it. Okay, and it won't hurt the camera anyway. Okay. Okay, let's get the cables out of the lamp. Okay. And as you can, or maybe you have noticed, there's the camera is here, the objective lens is here. So there's a huge or a very big distance. Okay, I like shifted on a very big distance. Okay. Now I'm gonna put. Okay. Now, currently there's a 4 times lens, okay, a 4x lens. Yeah, so I have to turn on the lights, okay, and here I have its own light. Now we can focus. Okay, I have to make the brightness lower because it's not apparent. It's not appearing. This is the glass, but you can see the difference in the resolution. Okay. So this is how you should see it. Can you see how clear it is? Okay, so installing the RMS directly on the industrial camera it's worthless. It has no meaning. So you have to put it like farther away. Okay, maybe if you put it on a longer tube, maybe, I'm not sure, but I don't think so, because here I have some kind of optical piece of glass that's helping the camera to focus this way. Okay. So yeah, that's it. So this is the RMS plus the C mounted camera. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.